Years of dust, damage, and neglect have taken over every inch of this machine.
The symbol effect. Today, it looks forgotten, damaged, and lifeless. But what if we could bring it back?
Before restoration begins, every flaw must be carefully inspected.
Inside, the luxury is hidden under layers of dirt and decay.
His column-wise. Even the heart of this car is crying for attention. The first step, washing away years of dust and pain.
The paint tells a story of time, neglect, and harsh conditions.
Preparation is everything. Perfection starts here. A fresh coat, giving this luxury car a brand new identity. Patience is the secret behind a flawless finish. Luxury is restored from the inside out. Luxury is restored from the inside out. New wheels, a new stance, a new attitude. Clear vision, restored perfectly. This is where the magic truly occurs. Listen to that, the sound of revival. From dust and damage to pure luxury once again. This isn't just restoration. This is resurrection.
Today we discovered that the are still individual.
And their toll. Rusted panels, tired leather, and a silent engine tell a story of abandonment. But for us,
under the hood lies the heart of American engineering, a V8, a V that once ruled the highways.
Every bolt matters. Each panel is removed with precision, allowing us to restore this classic piece by layers of dirt are washed away. As the grime disappears, the true shape of this luxury icon begins to reappear.
Of restoration. Our craftsmen repair damaged metal, strengthening the body for decades to fill. And American muscle and luxury. With precision and patience, we rebuild it, bringing power back to life. Performance deserves beauty. Every detail is refined, creating an engine bay worthy of a luxury classic. This is where transformation becomes visible. A timeless luxury color, deep, rich, and elegant, brings new life. Chrome defines luxury. Every piece is polished to perfection, reflecting craftsmanship and history. Chrome defines luxury. Every piece is polished to perfection, reflecting craftsmanship and history. Comfort and control are restored. Modern reliability meets classic engineering.
inside, luxury returns. Premium leather, classic design, and handling to deep.
Every wire tells a story. Modern electrical reliability ensures this classic is ready for today's roads.
The heart returns home. This moment marks the rebirth of a legend. Listen carefully. That sound is history coming back to life.
Every detail matters. The restoration is complete. Precision, passion, and pride in every inch.
Now reborn. This luxury American car glides effortlessly, just as it was meant to.
From rust, it's to royalty. This is more than restoration of a luxury can reach.